Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright, so let's begin. I just installed my WhatsApp, so let's get straight into it. Now you need to simply click on agree and continue. Also you can pick the language, and in here you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So give me a second, please. Okay, once you're verified your phone number, you just need to simply click on continue again, click on allow limited access or allow all, it doesn't matter. As you can see, we had looking for backups, and now we have restore your chats. As you can see, I made up my backup 2 minutes ago. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, we also on our channel have a video how to create a one, so if you want you can look for it. Also below we have the size and the account on which the backup was made. Also you need to be logged into the same Google account, and otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so now simply click on restore. Okay, the process is finished. As you can see, 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now we want to click on next. In the profile info you just need to simply type your name. I'll just leave the test. Now click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages have been successfully restored. Also the pictures. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.